So find the average rate of change of the function over the interval. It forms a secant line. This little blue line right here is called a secant line of a function. If you have two dots, the line between is called a secant line. It also forms a slope. When you say the average rate of change, you're finding the slope on an interval, which forms something called a secant line. So that's really all it's saying. Can you find the slope from 0 to 2? That's all it's saying. So to find the slope from 0 to 2, don't we first need to know how high this is? So can I forgot to label that. Can I put 3 there? So are you okay? Your slope, again, on the interval would be 0 to 2. Can you tell your slope is, well, how far up did you go? Well, didn't we go up 3 and over 2? Remember, rise, over run. And we're done. That's your average rate of change. It's your slope, how it's changing over an interval. When you have a picture, it's a lot easier. But a lot of problems sometimes don't give you pictures. We have equations or tables. And again, the key word is secant line. We're going to learn something called a tangent line soon. Can you find slope with 1 point? That's a tangent line, which kind of should bug you a little bit. But we're talking about secant lines. Finding the average rate of change of a function over an interval. So here's my function, a parabola, basic simple parabola on the interval 1 to 2. Now if you had the graph, you can see the average rate of change a little bit better, but average rate of change is just the slope from 1 to 2. So if we do this without a picture, what we're going to do here is we simply need to find f of 1 and f of 2. And once we have that, we can find slope. So to find f of 1, aren't you just simply putting 1 squared? And for f of 2, isn't that 2 squared? So don't you have a coordinate, 1, 1, and a coordinate, 2, 4? Can you now find slope? M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So my slope is equal to 4 minus 1 over 2 minus 1, which is 3 over 1, which is 3. So if I want the average rate of change from 1 to 2 of this function, it is a slope of 3.